यहाँ पर आज जो कुछ भी हूँ अपने पापा की हेल्प से, क्योंकि यहाँ पर आने के लिए मैं जिस कंडीशन से निकल के यहाँ पे आई हूँ अपने पेरेंट्स के हेल्प से। यहाँ तक आने में मुझे मेरी फैमिली में मेरे मम्मी पापा ने बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट किया है। तो मैं अपने पापा के लिए कहना चाहूँगी, एक पिता नीम के उस पेड़ के जैसा होता है जिसके पत्ते भले ही कड़वे हों लेकिन वो छाया हमेशा ठंडी देता है। थैंक यू पापा, मुझे यहाँ तक सपोर्ट करेंगे।
सर मैम, मतलब मुझे ये लगता है कि हमें नॉलेज होती है हर चीज़ की, बट अगर हमें इंग्लिश मतलब स्पीकिंग नहीं आता है तो जो नॉलेज हमें होता है वो हम एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते हैं, तो इसलिए इंग्लिश आना बहुत ज़रूरी है।
जब फर्स्ट बार हम यहाँ पे आए थे बोलने के लिए तो इतना ज़्यादा डर लग रहा था कि मतलब सोच रहे थे हम कैसे बोलेंगे, लेकिन 2 बार हो गया, तीसरा बार हमको है यहाँ पे रमाया, पर थोड़ा सा अच्छा लग रहा है, पहले से मतलब बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ। अगली बार सर इससे भी बहुत अच्छा करने की कोशिश करेंगे सर।
इंग्लिश हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि जब इंग्लिश नहीं आता है तो हम लोग का कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल जो है वो कम हो जाता है।
गुड आफ्टरनून सर, गुड आफ्टरनून मैम, and good afternoon all my dear friends. First of all, I want to pay the thanks to sir and ma'am who has given me a golden chance to speak on here. Now I am going to tell my intro. Hi, this is Pooja Chaturvedi and I am hailing from Khalilabad, Sant Kabir Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. And my father is Mr. Devendra Chaturvedi and he is a farmer. And my mother is Mrs. Chandramala Chaturvedi and she is a domestic manager. I have completed my graduation from Ganga Devi Kapil Dev Tiwari College, Bhujaini, Sant Kabir Nagar. Now I am going to tell my daily routine. First of all, I get up early in the morning, 6 o'clock. After that, I get fresh. Later on, I brush my teeth. Then after, I take bath. After taking bath, I pray to God. Later on, I make breakfast. After that, I take breakfast. Later on, I go to ready. Later on, I go to college. After that, I meet my friends. Later on, I take my lunch. After that, I study. Later on, I come back to home. Then after, I take a nap. After that, I go to market. Later on, I take water balls, momos. Then after, I come back to home. After that, I take rest. Later on, I make dinner. Then after, I take dinner. After that, I study. Later on, I use my phone. After that, I go to sleep. Thanks for listening carefully.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am, and good afternoon, my all dear friends. First of all, I want to pay two thanks to sir who has given me a chance to speak on here. Hi, this is Sir Nisad. I am hailing from Kusinagar, and my father name is Mr. Ram Harish Nisad. He is a businessman, and my mother name is Mrs. Bindravati Devi. She is a domestic manager. I have completed 12th from Kusinagar with 70% in 2024. Right now, I am doing ENAM as well as my aim to be a government nurse. And my hobbies are traveling, reading story, that's all. I am going to tell my daily routine. First of all, I get up early in the morning, 5 o'clock. After that, I get fresh. After that, I get exercise. Then after, I read my book. After that, I I fresh, and after that, I brush the teeth. After that, I pray to God. Then after, I make my breakfast. After that, I am going to college. Later that, I meet my friend. After that, I attend my class. Later that, I am come to my room. Later then, I later on I am going to market. After that, later then I go to market. After that, I come to my room. And later that, I make the dinner and I cook the food. After that, I am cook the food.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, my dear friend. First of all, I want to pay thanks to sir who has given me chance to speak on here. Right now, I am going to tell my intro. Hi, this is Vicky. I am hailing from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, and my father name Mr. Dayanand Yadav. He is an electrician, and my mother name Mrs. Kesa Devi. She is a domestic manager, and I have completed 12th from Ideal Public School in 2023 with 73%. Right now, I am doing A&M from Sankar Nursing and Paramedical Institute. I am going to tell my daily routine. Uh, First of all, I get up early in the morning. After that I get fresh. Later on, I brush the teeth. Then after I take bath. Later on, I pray to God. Then after I prepare the breakfast. Uh, then after I take breakfast. Later on I uh, get ready. After that I meet my friend. After I meeting my friend, I come to I go to college. Then after I take attend class. uh, Later on I take lunch. Then after I attend the class. uh, Later on I come back my home. After that I take rest. Then after I use my mobile phone. uh, Later on I prepare dinner. Then after I take dinner. I After that I study. Later on I sleep. Thank you.
Hi, this is Achal Singh and hailing from Devariya, Uttar Pradesh. And my father is Mr. Nandkumar Singh, and he is a farmer. And my mother name is Mrs. Vidyavati Devi, and she is domestic manager. I have completed 12th from Devariya, Uttar Pradesh, and Devariya, Uttar Pradesh uh, in 2022 with 75%. After that, I make to breakfast. After that, I take breakfast. Later on, I get ready. After that, I go to college. Then after, I meet my friend. After that, I attend to class. After that, I take lunch. Later on, I attend to class. After that, after that, I come back home. Later on, I go to rest. After that, I use my mobile phone. Later on, I go to market evening. After that, I take water balls and momos. After that, I back to home. Later on, I make dinner. After that, I serve dinner to my family. After that, I take dinner. Later on, I use my mobile phone. After that, I go to bed. After that, I sleep. Thank you for listening carefully.
First of all, I want to pay thanks to Sir, who has given me a chance to speak on here. Now, I am going to tell my intro. Hi, this is Ambika Tiwari. I am hailing from Gorakhpur, and my father name Mr. Dinesh Tiwari. He is a farmer, and my mother Miss Munni Tiwari. She is a domestic manager. I have completed 12th from Syama Mal Mahavidyalaya, Jhanga, Gorakhpur in 2023 with 69%. I am going to tell my daily routine. First of all, I get up early in the morning, 5 o'clock. Then after I get fresh. After then I brush the teeth. Then after I take the bath. I taking bath. Then after I pray the God. Then after I I I then after I take breakfast. After then I get ready. Then after I go to college. Then after I meet my friends. Then after I attend the class. After then I take the lunch. Then after I come back to home. Then after I take nap. Then after I use my mobile. After then I go to market in evening. Then after I take our water ball momos at then after I come to home. After then I prepare the dinner. Then after I serve the dinner to my family. After then I take dinner. Then after I go to bed and I sleeping. Thanks, sir.